Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with essentials: Wi-Fi on and enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, go to Settings, tap Accounts, then Add Account and pick Google. This kicks off the secure creation flow. Make sure you have a phone number or recovery email nearby because you will need to verify identity. That step helps with password recovery and protects your data. Follow the prompts up to the screen that asks whether you already have an email address. If you have an existing Google email, tap Sign In and enter credentials. Otherwise, choose Create Account. You'll add your name, birth date, and gender. These help personalize services and meet age requirements. Next, pick a username. If it's taken, review the offered alternatives or tweak it slightly. Create a strong password and confirm it so your account is secure. Once done, you'll reach verification, which often sends a code by SMS, or complete verification by entering the code sent to your phone or recovery email. This activates the account on your Samsung device. Then review Google services like backup, location, and app data sync. Toggle what you want and accept the terms to proceed. You may be prompted to add payment info. Skip it if you prefer. Make sure the account appears in Settings right arrow Accounts. If anything goes wrong, check network, device time, SMS filters, or use an alternate verification method and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.